Following the recent increase in visa and immigration fees in the United Kingdom, the UK government have decided to also increase the IHS fee for skilled worker come on the 16th of January. So it means that people who are applying for the skilled worker visa or people who are renewing their visa for the skilled worker visa from the 16th of January 2023, the prices for the IHS fee has dramatically increased by over 60%. So it means that everyone paying for IHS from January 2024 should be informed on some of the things that will be discussed in this video, so that you make enough financial plan towards renewing or applying for a new skilled worker visa in the United Kingdom. And this is following the increase that was made in October for all visa categories. So it's really sad to see that moving to the UK as a skilled worker is going to become extremely expensive from the 16th of January 2024. So if this sounds like something you'd like to know, keep watching. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to join the amazing growing family. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. A couple of months ago, the UK Prime Minister officially announced on national TV that IHS fee is going to be increased in order for the government to be able to get enough money to fund the NHS. And this increase in different visa categories or different visa and immigration routes was increased, and it was effective from October 2023. And recently also the UK government have now decided that for skilled workers coming to the UK across different sectors, the amount paid for the IHS, for those who don't know, the IHS is the immigration health surcharge, and this is a fee paid by immigrants coming into the UK on different visa categories. So this is going to be increased also, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of analysis to show you what to expect if you're planning to apply for a skilled worker visa in the UK from January 16th, 2024, or if you're already on the skilled worker visa and you're planning to renew your visa from 2024, you need to ensure you keep yourself informed with some of the things that we'll be discussing in this video. Now, this increase is set to come into effect on the 16th of January 2024 at the earliest, and now be approved by both House of Parliament. So as at now, the IHS fee is exactly £624 per year. So if you're coming for a 3 years visa, you need to pay $624 for each of those years. And the plan is from the 16th of January 2024, the IHS fee for skilled worker will increase from £624 per year to £1,035 per year. Now, also the fees for under 18 students and youth mobility scheme applicants will also increase from £470 per year to £776 per year. Now, the planned IHS increase follows a recent hike in visa and immigration fees for various visa categories, which came into effect on the 4th of October 2023. Now, for those who don't know, the IHS basically is the amount immigrant pay in order to be able to access free health care service within the NHS. And so if you're coming as an immigrant, you need to pay this amount as an insurance basically. So when you need any health emergency, or you have any health emergency or any health issues, you'll be able to walk into the NHS and get free health care. Now, people have actually been criticizing this particular fee, saying okay, it's the IHS fee came into play in 2015, and so many people have actually criticized the fact that why do immigrants need to pay for IHS fee, despite the fact that they've paid for visa fee, they're going to be paying tax for every single pound they make in the UK. Why do they also need to pay IHS fee? In as much as it's understandable that the IHS fee is definitely going into each immigrant's insurance basically when it comes to health, because healthcare is really expensive, especially in developed countries. So many people have actually criticized this. However, despite the criticism, the effect of the IHS fee is felt in the NHS financially. However, despite the IHS fee coming to the NHS pause, the NHS is still struggling financially to be able to meet up with paying their staff and all of those things. So increasing the IHS fee is a good initiative from the government. However, it's not a good idea for immigrants coming to the UK, because it means that it's becoming more expensive for people to actually move into the United Kingdom. Now, whatever you need to pay the IHS fee depends on the type of immigration permission you're applying for. And so if you're coming for a job as an health professional, probably a doctor or a nurse or an healthcare provider, you're not required to pay IHS. So this might not really affect people on the on the skilled worker visa as nurses, or on the health and care visa. Now we're going to do a little bit of case study. So for instance, if you're coming into the UK as a single person and you're coming on, let's say for instance, on a 3-year skilled worker visa. Now basically, as at now, you're only required to pay £624 per year, meaning that you'll be required to pay a total of £1,872 per year. Now with this recent increase, you're now required from 16th of January 2024, you're now required to pay £1,035 per year. So it means that for your 3 years visa, all skilled worker must make sure they have at least £3,105 in total for their IHS fee, and this is excluding visa fee, flight tickets, and all of those other expenses around moving to the UK. Now let's not think, okay, so you've got a family person and you're coming with, let's say, a family of 4. You've got yourself, your wife, and 2 children. Now as of now, adults are expected to pay £324, and children are expected to pay, that's people under 18, are expected to pay £470. So it means in total, as of today, for a family of 4, you will need at least £10,940 for your IHS fee. But come 16th January 2024, as a family of 4, you would need to pay £1,035 per year for the adults, which is the wife and the husband, and children are now going to pay £776 per child per year. So in total, you're now required to pay £18,110 for your IHS fee. That's for a 5-year skilled worker. So imagine, so it means now if you're coming to the UK for a skilled worker visa with your family of 4 for 5 years, you only need £10,000 for your IHS fee. But from January, you now need £18,110, which is really a very big increase. And this increase in IHS fee has no impact on employer. So this might actually make some employer change their mind. Some employer who currently sponsor people and take up responsibility for their visa application. Now many employer will have to take their hands off employees visa application, because it's becoming really, really expensive. So employers would not be willing any longer to provide financial support when it comes to visa application fee. So yeah, that's really the update, and it's really sad to say how much it's getting so expensive. And aside from that, living in the UK in itself is becoming more and more expensive because of the increase in cost of living, the cost of living crisis. But yeah, that's really the update. So if you're planning to move to the UK, or you're planning to renew your visa as a skilled worker visa, you need to put into consideration this increase so that you make proper financial decision when it comes to renew your visa or moving to the UK as a skilled worker. So if you have any thoughts around this, you can state in the comment section, and if you have any question, please state in the comment section also. And if you find this video useful, also click on the like button, coming across the channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button to join the amazing growing family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.